Hello guys, welcome to dedicatedcode.com, and here we have already created a lot of videos on Git, Composer and different operating systems, technical issues, and there are a lot of things including cPanel and other control panels. So if you need any information or any tutorials or any technical assistance, we have already created a huge list of videos, so you can go and subscribe our YouTube channel to get latest update. So now this video is all about how to install, configure and use Git, and also helps to push or publish the data in GitHub repository. Very first, we need to install a Git. To install a Git, we can simply use this command in CentOS, Alma Linux, Cloud Linux, and Rocky Linux. But if you are doing in the Ubuntu, that time you can able to use this command. Let me install Git. It will ask for the permission, say yes. After that, let me check the Git is installed or not. You can see that Git is installed very successfully. Once Git installation has been completed, now here we need to create a GitHub account. If it is not, then create it. If it is already, then we'll go and log in into GitHub. Log in into your GitHub account. So in this case, I already log in into the GitHub account. Now it is time for creation of repository. To create the repository, click on this plus icon and click on new repository. Here for demonstration purpose, I am creating demo 123. It is available. Add some description like testing purpose, and you can keep private or public, and if you wanted to add a readme and all, so you can able to do as per your project requirement, and click on create a repository. You can see that we have successfully created our repository. Now I will go back to our control panel, that is terminal, and I will go into the temp file for demonstration purpose. So I will go into the temp file, cd /temp. Here I will create one file called as hello.txt. For demonstration purpose, I will add some data here. After that, save this file. So basically, why we have created this file? Because just for demonstration purpose, I wanted to push this hello.txt file to our this repository. To do this, we need to do a further steps. So once done, we can able to show you how we have uploaded it or pushed. Very first, we need to initiate a Git. To initiate a Git, we can able to use this init, and our initiation has been process completed. Let me enter ls. Once we initiate the Git, now we will check the status Git and hit enter. You can able to see that hello.txt file is present here and it is showing in the red. That means hello.txt is available to add. Now to add this, we can able to use this command git space add hello.txt. Again we will check the status, and you can able to see that this file showing in the green means it is added. Now I need to commit. So in this case, enter this git commit -m space add some message first commit and hit enter. But in our case, email ID and username has been not configured, so we need to configure this first and then we can able to move further. To configure the email ID, we can able to use the command git space config space --, global space. Here I will enter the email ID, hit enter. After that, username. Done. Now it is time to check how it configured properly or not. For that, enter git space config space user.name. So here it is a name, and similar for the email ID. Okay. After that, I need to configure a remote origin. To do this, just copy this command and over the terminal, enter and paste. Now we added our origin. After that, we need to push the files. Before that, one most important update is from 2021-8/13, GitHub is no longer accessible with the password. So that means we cannot able to log in from SSH with the help of password. So for that, we need to follow this updated step. First, we will go to the GitHub. After that, from this setting, we have to click on this because we need to create a personal token. just scroll down to the bottom and look at the option called as a developer setting. After that, click on personal access token, and in that we need to choose token and click on generate new token. Just for demonstration we are creating, so I will enter here demo. It will auto expire after 30 days. I will give all the permissions. It is depend on your project requirements, so you can able to do that. And click on generate token. After successful generation of the token, make sure that copy this and save at safe place. Now we will go back to our control panel. After that, we need to paste here our repository. So this is the repository and hit enter. To push the data, we can able to use this command. Now it is time to push the data. To push the data to the origin, that is repository demo123 that we have created. So enter this. After that, it will ask for the username. I will enter the username, and after that it will ask for the password. So we have already created a token. So I will just copy this token and paste here and enter. And you can able to see that we have successfully uploaded our data. Yeah, or we pushed our data. And to verify that, we will go to the browser and open our directory. You can see that hello.txt has been uploaded successfully. I will click on this. And you can able to see that we have added the same message. This way we can install Git and push the data in GitHub.